Welcome back, my friends. Today we are jumping into day number 4 of the Craft-O-Ween box by Spellbinders. This is a 13-day reveal, and for each day of Craft-O-Ween, I am sharing with you a different die set and little gift bag, treat bag that I'm making for my grandkids. So they will be able to give these out to their friends around their neighborhood just as a little extra for Halloween. So let's open up day number 4 and see what we get. Will it be anything magic related? Because that's what's on the packaging. So far, nothing really has gone with the packaging. So let's see. Ooh, no, not really magic related. The ghost has pizza. That makes no sense. Why does a ghost have pizza? Though my little Elijah is gonna love that the ghost has pizza. So let me see here. This actually looks like there's a cat here too. So the cat can get some pizza. Ah, I want a pizza you. I want a pizza you. That is cute. It's right there. I want a pizza you. Oh, my Elijah. He is 6. He just turned 6 in July. And he is going to love this one. So, so cute. You could do boo on the little pennant. There's a little pumpkin. And of course, you don't have to use the pizza if you don't want to. But it's right here in the little ghost's hand. But I'm thinking the cat jumping for the pizza slice would be really cute. That is an adorable cat, and it doesn't have it on there. It doesn't have it anywhere either. But yeah, he's a little kitty cat right there. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I don't know why they don't have that on the packaging. That is precious. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to die cut that out in just a second. We're going to have to make him like jumping at the ghost or something. So I'm going to go play with this one, and then we'll see what we come up with here in just a second. This is another one of my faves, and I think it's because of the background I've used on this one. I believe it is done with the shimmer powders, and where you sprinkle the powder on the watercolor paper and then spritz it and let it just burst. I guess they're called color bursts. And their backgrounds I've made. I made a whole bunch of them, and I just saved them. And the colors are just gorgeous. So I used it as the background on this tag for this project. Now, look at this. This is such crazy little pizza die set here that I'm putting together. And these little tiny pieces, you line them up along the top of the pizza. All 3 layers, the crust, the sauce, and the cheese. Now, I don't end up using that in my final project. It just didn't do it for me, but I assembled it so you could see how to do it, because it does go along with the cute sentiment where it says, I want a pizza you. Like, I want a piece of you. It's pizza you. So I did want to assemble it so you could see how it was done, but I didn't use it in my final project. I did use the black cat though. And for both the ghost and the cat, I just cut myself a piece of scratch paper to go behind the eyes of the ghost there. And then the cat, we've got this little piece of yellow paper that I'm just going to glue right here behind the eyes to give him some bright yellow eyes. I used to have a cat when I was younger, and his name was Magic, and he was black with yellow eyes. So there he is. Now, remember I said in the previous video that this yellowish paper is not orange to me, like Randy said it was. So I changed that, and I added a little color here to the sides to make it just a little bit more orange. And that way we can see this yellow piece of paper underneath it, so we can see the eyes for the candle inside. So that was an easy thing, and I think by doing that we can see that it's easily a jack-o'-lantern. Now we have everything assembled, and you can see the final tag and gifty, or treat bag as I'm calling them, and that gorgeous background.